Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best leather hole punch set adjustable on the market. The Glarks Heavy Duty Adjustable Metal Hole Punch Pliers Revolving Leather Belt Hole Punch with Eyelet Pliers Toolkit. Let's get right into what makes this toolkit a standout. First off, this isn't your average leather puncher. The Glarks kit is a complete set, carefully designed for anyone working with belts, watch bands, saddles, shoes, or any kind of leather, canvas, or crafting material. When you open the package, you're greeted with more than just a single tool. It comes with a leather hole puncher, 2 backup brass pads, a handy screwdriver, a grinding rod for sharpening, a steel rule, scissors, and an eyelet setting plier paired with 100 eyelets. All of these come neatly organized in a leather carrying bag, making storage and portability easy and clean. One of the biggest frustrations when buying belts off the rack is getting one that doesn't fit just right. That's where this puncher becomes a lifesaver. Instead of returning a belt or punching a crooked hole manually, this puncher allows you to mark the spot precisely and punch a clean, professional hole exactly where you need it, effortlessly. It not only saves your belt, but it also saves your time and frustration. As far as build quality goes, Glarks doesn't cut corners. The pliers are constructed from hardened hollow steel, giving them a solid, heavy-duty feel. The black coating not only adds to the durability but also gives the tool a professional, sleek look. The anvil is made from brass, and the steel tubes are high hardness for long-lasting use. The handles are ergonomically designed, cushioned for comfort, and non-slip, meaning even if you're working for long periods, you won't wear your hands out. You also don't need a lot of hand strength to operate them, which is a big plus for accessibility. Now, let's talk about versatility. The revolving head offers 6 different hole sizes, ranging from 2mm up to 4.5mm. Switching between them is smooth and quick, thanks to the rotating design. Whether you're working on thin fabric, thick leather, or even rubber and cardboard, you can choose the hole size that fits your needs perfectly. This tool isn't just for belts and watch bands. It's great for dog collars, shoes, saddles, plastic tags, or even some lightweight DIY fabric work. Whether you're a hobbyist, a craftsperson, or someone just trying to fix things around the house, this tool has you covered. If you've been searching for a toolkit that gives you professional level punching capability at home without requiring power tools or complex setups, the Glarks set is an excellent choice. It combines practicality, durability, and a full kit of accessories, all at a price point that's affordable for the average DIY enthusiast. So that's our take on the Glarks Heavy Duty Adjustable Metal Hole Punch Set. It's accurate, efficient, comfortable to use, and built to last. A solid choice for anyone looking to add a reliable leather puncher to their toolkit. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and deep dives into the best tools and gadgets on the market. See you next time.